everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Hi Parvati, welcome to IWM Buzz.
Hi, I'm so glad that you guys asked me to come here. I'm so sorry I'm late, but as you know, Bombay traffic, what can you do?
Okay, so Parvati, first of all, we would like to know how's shooting going?
Shoot is going very good. We are working well ahead of whatever track is being shown right now. So we are moving at a very relaxed and comfortable place.
Okay, so the secret is out already. Like few people, your father is already aware about the secret in the show. So what's coming up next for the audience to watch?
Next for the audience is something that I've shot, which I'm sure the fans have eagerly been waiting for. I won't spell it out exactly, but it is something that the fans have been asking for a long time, and something that hadn't happened for a very long time. So it's coming up, so do keep watching.
Okay, लगता है बहुत wait कर रहे थे fans, so we'll take their questions. So first of all, Varsha wants to know what is your philosophy in life?
Hi Varsha, wow, that's a very deep question to start off. What is my philosophy in life? I basically like to stay positive. I like to stay very grounded. I don't believe in thinking too much about whatever's happening. I like to live in the moment. So that is my philosophy in life, to live in the moment and enjoy the moment as much as I can.
Okay, Jaydeep is asking that Jaya का कैरेक्टर काफी गुस्से वाला है और आप रियल लाइफ में बहुत मजाकिया टाइप के हो, तो क्या जया के कैरेक्टर पर काम करने के लिए आपको मुश्किल होती है?
मुश्किल तो नहीं, बट मैं इतना बोलूंगी बिकॉज जया का कैरेक्टर थोड़ा चिड़चिड़ा सा है, तो आई फील लाइक मैं थोड़ा सा रियल लाइफ में भी वैसे हो जाती हूँ कभी अभी पता नहीं, बिकॉज इतने टाइम के लिए यू आर प्लेइंग दैट कैरेक्टर, तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ इफेक्ट तो होता है, तो लाइक ऐसा वाला गुस्सा होता है ना, 2 मिनट का गुस्सा। वैसे मैं देखती हूँ कि अब मेरे को भी ऐसे होने लगा है, होना नहीं चाहिए, बट अब क्या करूँ।
Okay, Amit wants to know कि post work what do you do? What do you get involved into?
Post work, I go back home, which takes, God willing, traffic willing, 1.5 hour, not willing, 2 घंटे भी लग जाते हैं। But if you're asking me, मैं अपने free time में क्या करना चाहती हूँ और क्या करना मुझे अच्छा लगता है, rather, I really like to cook. I like to try out new recipes जो मैं देखती हूँ, and I like to I find it थोड़ा soothing because I don't get to do it very often, and I like to play football. So whenever I get time and I have the energy, I go and play football. It's a great stress buster for me.
Nice. Okay, Ankit Sharma wants to know that he's saying that he really likes your acting with Hussain in the show. You look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Vartika is asking what's your favorite sport? I guess you've already
It is football to play, because I've started playing not very long ago, maybe like 2.5 years ago now. But to watch, I really like tennis. I used to be a big cricket fan, but nowadays I don't know, I don't find that I'm that interested.
Okay, Rue is asking that something that you can talk about your first co-star Gaurav.
My first co-star Gaurav. It was a very nice experience working with him. It was our first show together, so that show will always have a special place in my heart.
Okay, Varsha wants to know that what do you like to do on the set apart from shooting?
Apart from shooting, so our set is very big, and there are lots of stray dogs over there who keep having puppies. So I like to, I'm sure if people have seen my Insta stories, there are lots of dogs in the Insta stories always. So I like to play around with them and stuff. I like to paint, so I carry paint book, and I try my best to paint as much as I can, and yeah.
Nice. Okay, Charu wants to know that what do you love about monsoon?
Oh my God, this is my most favorite season. There is nothing like Bombay monsoon, But if you don't have to do anything,
yes.
If you have to travel, then you're like, अरे यार, अगर कुछ नहीं करना है, घर पे बैठना है, कहीं अच्छी जगह जाके फ्रेंड्स के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना है, तो मॉनसून जैसे तो कुछ no other season.
Very true.
You know, have chai and pakoras. Even though I'm not a chai drinker, in the monsoons I like to have chai because वो feeling नहीं आती coffee से.
Okay, Ashish wants to know that what problem you face during shoot. Anything that in particular?
Problem? नहीं, problem तो ऐसे नहीं होती.
Okay, Vasha is asking how has Sajan Ray changed your life?
Sajan Ray has changed my life because, you know, I never thought I would get the opportunity to work with the kind of people I'm working with. You know, when you are new and when you have not done that much work or stuff like that, you hear about people, you know them, but you never imagine you'll be sharing the screen space with them. So I feel so blessed.
Amazing. Okay, Ginny is saying, hello, your show Sajan Ray is just amazing.
Thank you.
I'm a regular watcher of the serial and your acting is super.
Thank you so much. That really means a lot to me.
Okay, so Mohina is asking that can you share a few lines about your co-star Hussain?
About Hussain, a few lines would be that, you know, he is such a grounded person. He is so nice, and I just feel like, you know, whatever he does for the cast and crew and everything, it just comes from his heart and it shows. And like, he's just a really nice person. I mean, I think that's the best compliment you can give anyone. Like, I don't think that you can find anyone who can say anything bad about him, because he just is, and it's not like an act or anything. He is like that. So it's rare to find that, I feel.
Okay, Ria is asking, how did you start acting? How did
I start acting? Well, I moved to Bombay to pursue fashion. I was working in a magazine, and you know, I was always interested in acting. मुझे हमेशा से acting करनी थी, but पता नहीं वो कभी I never knew or never thought how do I go about this. I made a folio because I was working in ad films and as a costume stylist. And I started getting ads, and then one fine day I started getting calls for TV serials, and I went, and it just happened. And yeah, it's been great.
Okay. Hina is asking that if you got an opportunity to change anything in your character, what would you like to change?
Well, that change has come now.
Yeah.
The writers have made that change, so I have no complaints. But yeah, I mean, you know, I also thought that, you know, Jaya's character, for me personally, was a little, like everyone was saying, a little bit more rude than maybe she should have been. But I feel like that change has already happened, so I'm quite happy with that.
Okay, Jack is saying that I have been watching your show for a long time. Wonderful actors. I suffer from depression and your shows just makes my day. You deserve to be in movies.
Oh wow, thank you so much for the compliment. I'm so sorry to hear about your condition, but I hope you get all the help that you need and the support that you require. My best wishes to you.
Okay, Aman is asking that what is your motto or advice that you live by?
My motto in life would be, I don't think about all these heavy things. I think that's my motto in life. Live in the moment, enjoy the present, and plan for the future.
Okay, Kidney is asking, can you tell me who is the best actor in the show according to you?
According to me?
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to pinpoint any one person because, I mean, who do you choose? Yeah,
True.
everyone is so good.
Yeah.
But if I have to say for comic relief, Rakhi. I mean, she's just, you know, her character she just brings to life. So, yeah.
Okay, Vartika is saying, ma'am, your show is amazing. Yes, a lot of comedy and seriousness too. It's too good for us.
Thank you so much. Please keep watching. There's a lot more coming.
Okay, Varsha is saying one quality you love about your character, Jaya.
One quality I like about my character would be that she is so, in a way, naive because she's just so unaware of everything that's
True.
happening to her. But me personally, I like to know यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. अच्छा ठीक है. Just ये नहीं कि मैं यहाँ की बात वहाँ करूँ, but just to know because I like to be aware. So with Jaya, it's like अपनी ही दुनिया में रहती है, you know. इसीलिए I think वो जैसे react करती है वैसे, क्योंकि लोगों को पता होता है कि actually क्या हो रहा है, but Jaya को नहीं पता होता है क्या हो रहा है.
Okay, Vinay is saying waiting for Jay and Jaya's romantic scenes, just waiting for it.
Yes, I don't think you have to wait very much longer. They're coming.
Okay, Aman is asking, what's your goal for this year?
My goal for this year is to continue doing some really good work and, you know, enjoying my life and having fun.
Okay, Praveen is asking that who's your favorite actor in general, like anything, anyone.
Oh, there are so many, but if I have to just like quickly say a name, I think Leonardo DiCaprio. I think not only is he, like, everyone has loved him since Titanic, but he's also a really, really nice actor. I do like him a lot.
Okay. What makes for a perfect Sunday for you? Varsha is asking.
Perfect Sunday would be a nice brunch with my family and friends, and then relaxing and talking and catching up on everything that has happened through the week and just having fun.
Okay, Hina is saying that apart from your character, which character in Sajan Re Jhoot Mat Bole you love the most?
I would
Character-wise.
Character-wise, I would say I think Deepak Tijori, just because of the number of characters he gets to play on the show. He can be any character.
ओके जब जया की याददाश्त थी तब आपको एक्टिंग करना सिंपल लगता था या जब फिर याददाश्त जाने के बाद लगता था? लाइक व्हेन शी वाज उसकी याददाश्त चली गई थी तब सिंपल लगता था कि अभी वापस जब याददाश्त आई तभी?
जब याददाश्त वापस आ गई तब मुझे ज़्यादा सिंपल लगता है, ओनली बिकॉज जब याददाश्त चली गई थी तो शी वॉज अ टोटली डिफरेंट पर्सन. So that, you know how if you're playing one character and suddenly there's a switch in the character, it takes a little time to adapt to it.
Okay, Ashish is asking which is your favorite book or novel?
My favorite book would be, there's quite a few, but there was this book I read called Six Suspects by Vikas Swaroop. He's the same person who I think wrote Q&A. I heard it was going to be made into a movie, but it never got made. It was a very interesting book. I really liked it.
Okay. Priya is asking, who's your inspiration in life?
I don't know actually. There are a lot of people who I look up to, and there are little things that I do admire about different people. So I can't pick just one person.
Okay, Ankit is asking that apne show ke alawa any other show that you're watching or liking on television?
On television or on any streaming platform?
No, on TV.
On TV. Honestly, I don't watch that much TV. I don't get time. So when I do get time, it is on some streaming platform or the other.
Okay, Varsha is asking what makes you happy after a long tiring day?
What makes me happy after a long tiring day is, just getting back home, centering myself, and just knowing that, tomorrow again I get to do something I love.
Okay, Dimple is asking which character is closest to your heart?
In terms of characters that I've played, I think everything that I've played so far, but definitely the character that I played in my first show, because it was my first show, so it meant a lot to me.
Okay, who's your favorite actor in the television industry? Anyone you...
Male or female?
That they've not mentioned.
My favorite actor in the television industry would be obviously my co-star Hussain. He's great. If I had to speak of a female actor, I really like Drashti. I think she's beautiful.
Okay, Avinash is asking that your character resembles to your real life in any way?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Fahad is asking, do you wish to work in movies?
Sure, if the opportunity presents itself, why not? I'm open.
Okay, Amit is asking any dream role?
Dream role. I really liked Sridevi and Chalbaz, so if I can get to do something like that, it would be amazing.
Okay, Ashish is asking, who's your role model?
I don't really have any role models as such. Like I said, there are different famous personalities with whom you can get, like, there are some things about them you like. So not recently, but for a little while now, I've really been, he's not my role model or anything, but I really like the way he carries himself. He's this footballer called Zlatan Ibrahimovic, and I really like him.
Okay, Bhavya is asking, if one fine day you get a family like the family in the show, so how will you tackle? What will be your solution?
I would, honestly, I would really appreciate them, because oh my god, in the show, what all the family does just to please Jaya. If I get a family like that goes to that level, and forget me, anyone, they should really be so appreciative of that,
Okay, Varsha is saying any beauty tips you would like to share?
beauty tips would be drink a lot of water. I know everyone says that, but it is true. You have
Yes.
to drink a lot of water. Try to keep your skin clean and fresh as much as you can. Like for me, when I'm not shooting, I don't wear any makeup. I try my best to not wear any makeup, just keep it clean. I try to wear sunscreen because it's good for you. And yeah, exercise. Exercise helps.
Swastu is asking, what's your favorite pastime?
Favorite pastime would be reading. It would be going for like walks. I live in this area called Khar, which is very close to Bandra. So I like to walk in like the little lanes and stuff like that because there's a lot of old architecture
True.
and this that. So I like it. It gives you your own space sort of.
Okay, Amit is asking, if you get a chance to play an iconic character of television or a movie, which character would you like to play?
Wow. Iconic character of a movie. I like action hero movies a lot. So Wonder Woman, that'd be great. Although I think Gal Gadot, I think her name is, she's amazing.
Okay, Varsha is saying, any movie you have recently watched?
I saw Razi. I loved it. Oh yeah, I mean actually I would love to do a role like Razi
Yeah.
also. Who wouldn't? But what an amazing movie. I really liked it.
Okay, she's asking, if you are in a bad mood, what do you get into like a good mood?
My anger lasts for 3 minutes. I'm angry for 3 minutes and then I'm not angry. I forget about it also. So like just for those 3 minutes, leave me alone. I'll be fine after that.
Okay, Sania is asking your favorite cuisine.
I'm a big foodie, so I can't say there's a favorite cuisine. I will say this much: I don't like eating Indian food outside. You know, I like ghar ka khana a lot, and if I have to eat outside, then I would choose to eat Asian or Japanese or any other sort of cuisine. I don't like to eat Indian food outside because I like ghar ka khana the most.
Okay, Ria is asking your favorite song these days.
Favorite song these days would be, I like this artist called Drake a lot. I listen to him a lot. So favorite song, I know it's slightly older, but it's called Passion Fruit by Drake.
Okay, we'll play a fun game with you.
Okay.
So I'll give you these shits. You have to pick up a chit and then you have to guess the song. Okay,
Oh
and
my
your
God.
fans will help in this.
I'm horrible at this. I don't remember songs. I remember
Let's see.
tunes.
These are very easy songs. These are emoticons and you have to guess from them.
Can I show it to
Yeah.
everyone?
You can.
Kala Chashma.
Yes. See, I told you they are very easy.
I hope so. I'm horrible at this. Oh,
See, वो अभी से रिक्वेस्ट करे गाना गाओ.
मुझे पता ही नहीं है क्या है. What is this?
This is so easy. आपको guess कर लिया होगा आपने. I guess. Show your fans, then they'll help you.
Please help me. I don't know this. Can you see?
Yeah. Clearly.
Please tell me what it is, someone. I don't know what this is. Well,
I'll give you a hint.
huh?
It's from Shahid Kapoor's movie. Please help करो, please.
Please help कर दो. नहीं पता. Tell me the name of the
Show.
song. then I'll tell
I'll
you.
show
हाँ.
them. Because they are saying that clearly नहीं दिख रहा है, तो I'll just show them. See, guys. No, it's not that. लोगों ने बोला किसी होटल में जाए. Oh, disco वाला गाना नहीं है. Okay, सानिया ने आपकी हेल्प कर दी है. It's तू रंग शरबतों का.
Oh, yes. Okay. See, I know the song, but I don't know the song. ये भी नहीं पता मुझे. I'm horrible.
अरे तो कितना इजी है, आपको इमोटिकॉन से ही समझ जाएगा.
It's like this girl is walking. चली रही. Where is she going? Oh God, यार ऐसे मत कर. Oh, चलती है क्या 9 से 12?
You have not seen the time, इसीलिए.
Time नहीं देखा.
टन तारा.
Loud speaker. ये दोनों क्यों है ऐसे?
ये भी एक बहुत इजी सॉन्ग है.
I'm sure. I think ये गेम नहीं खेलना चाहिए.
नहीं क्यों, आपके फैंस मदद तो कर रहे हैं.
Please help.
See, this is the song. You have to tell us which song is this. Okay, you have to help Parvati. till by that time she's opening the second sheet.
Sun raha.
हाँ, you are right.
सुन रहा तू रो, सुन रहा है तू रो रहा मैं.
Okay, one last one.
Please, last one. Oh my God.
सिर्फ एक ही तो नहीं आया, बाकी सारे आया तो.
तूने मारी एंट्री.
Yeah, perfect. वो वाला था make some noise for the Desi boys.
Oh yeah.
There was noise and the boys.
Desi
Yes,
boys,
sir. See, it was so. Your favorite singer, Avinash wants to know.
My favorite singer. I like Badshah quite a bit right now.
Okay.
Please don't ask me to sing any songs.
Your favorite song you've already told, right? Still people asking.
Current
What are the
favorite
faces?
song is Passion Fruit by Drake.
Do you like Alia Bhatt? Guinea is asking.
Yes, I like her a lot. I can't take my eyes off her. I mean, she's just brilliant.
Okay. Vikas is asking that how were you as a child? Naughty or
Well, my mom tells me I was a very well-behaved child. And then she says, I don't know what happened to you after that. So I was apparently a very well-behaved child.
Okay, Adnan is asking that what was your favorite subject in school?
History. I really like history. I was horrible at math. Science depended on how the teacher was. But history I always liked.
History a lot of people hate, but
I know, but you know, with history, it's like I like to read stories about. It's like a story, like यहाँ पे गए थे and ये हुआ था, तो you can't change it. That's
True.
what's written.
Okay, Rahul is asking one thing about the show that you want to change. What would you change?
One thing about the show that I would want to change. I would want to be in a lot more scenes, and actually I don't know if I would want to change anything, frankly, because I think the show is doing great. So why mess with it?
Okay, Rudresh is asking, I want to get into acting, so any acting tips you can share?
Acting tips, I would say that, you know, if you are an actor, go for as many auditions as you can, because you learn a lot at auditions also.
Your favorite all-time favorite movie?
All-time favorite movie. Again, there are a lot of them. When I was really young, I used to love Mr. India. I used to love that movie. I really like fantasy, so I like the whole Lord of the Rings, all three parts I really liked. I really like this movie called The Godfather. It was my dad's favorite movie, and when I was young, I used to watch it a lot, and I used to wonder what is this. But when I grew up, I watched it, and yeah, I get it.
Okay, Ashish is asking a favorite destination for holidays.
So many. I want to travel the whole world. I hope I have enough time and money to always do that. But Europe is great. Also Vietnam. I loved Vietnam.
Vikas is asking, he's saying that your show is making my day happy every day.
I'm so happy to hear that. Thank you so much.
Okay, Avinash wants to know who's your best friend on the show.
My best friend on the show, I'm friendly with everyone. I can't say I have a best friend. Everyone is very cool, very nice.
Okay. Amit is asking, when did you give your first audition?
Wow, a long time ago. It was for a hair brand, I know that, and I got the ad.
Oh, nice. Okay, Vibhuti is asking, tell us something about your childhood memories, which is your favorite also.
Childhood memories, my favorite memories would be in this place called Jorhat, which is in Assam.
Oh, nice.
My father was posted there, and I remember that we used to live in the jungle. We were in an Air Force cantonment, and the freedom that we had, you know, like, oh my God, it was beautiful.
Okay, Hina is asking that if you get an opportunity to get invisible, what would you do?
Wow, so many things. I'd rob a bank, probably.
Bang
Amongst
on.
many things, I might do that.
Very nice idea.
Isn't it?
Yeah, amazing. Okay, Vasha wants to know, how does friendship helps while working?
Okay, this is really good. You know, there has to be a healthy camaraderie between people who work, because it just makes your atmosphere, your working atmosphere, that much better. Because, you know, obviously if you have like some kind of an issue with someone, there's always going to be the negativity, which
True.
is very unnecessary when you're working. So it's very important to have friendships to whatever level. You don't have to be the best of friends or
True.
like, you know, anything. But you have to be like, you know, you have to like the people you work with. I think it helps in every way.
Charvi is asking, who encouraged you more, mom or dad?
Both.
Vibhuti is saying that I love your show and your acting is very nice, very good.
Thank you.
Okay, Varsha is asking that 3 things that you always carry with yourself.
3 things that I always carry would be my phone, either my cards or my wallet entirely, and my charger, because you know my phone keeps running out of battery and I don't like to carry a battery pack. It's very heavy.
True. Okay, Hina wants to know, apart from acting and styling, what are the other talents that we fans don't know about you?
I already mentioned cooking. I
Painting
think it's a
also.
talent. I like painting.
Yeah.
What other
And
talent?
playing
I can't
football
sing.
is also a...
It's a talent.
Yeah, obviously. A girl playing a football is like a talent
Yeah.
only. Okay, Vibhuti wants to know what makeup brand you use.
Okay, I'm a big makeup fanatic. I use a lot of makeup brands. My favorite ones right now would be NARS, Tarte, and Becca.
Checo wants to know that the episode that you enjoyed shooting the most.
Oh wow, quite a few. Definitely the first one, because the entire thing that happened before the first episode was like, you know, it was a day shoot. We went to Pune, we shot there, we came back. All the chaos that happened, it was a lot of fun, and how we kind of bonded as a team over there. Also, recently I shot an episode where you know, I have some scenes with my father's character, very sweet scenes, and we did a little song sequence, Hussain and I, where he's trying to manao me. It was a lot of fun.
Nice. Okay, most mischievous thing you did in your childhood.
I can't remember right now. I can't remember. It'll come to me, I'll tell you.
Okay, you look beautiful in sari. Please keep wearing them in the
Thank
show.
you. Thank you.
Okay, they have requested for a song that you can sing for them. One line, if you can just...
Okay, which song?
Anything that you like currently, anyone,
Oh
any
my god.
recent song you have...
Why don't you tell me a song? I'll see if I know that song, then I'll sing.
Yeah, okay, cool. When did you know that you wanted to become an actor?
I think I always knew, but I didn't, like I said, like I didn't know how to go about it. My family is not from this industry at all. So when you're young, you're interested, but that's just an interest. But I think I always knew.
Okay, Amit wants to know, if your fans wanted to meet you once in life, how would they meet you?
You would probably come to set and meet me there.
Okay, which is your favorite Bollywood actor?
Bollywood actor. I really like Amir Khan quite a bit. I really like him. Also, I saw this Vicky Kaushal. I saw him in Razi as well. I really liked him.
Okay. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना. You know this?
Yes.
चलते
चलते मेरे गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
You sing so well, and you're saying that I don't sing well.
I get very conscious and nervous.
Okay, Avinash wants to know, what's your worst experience in life? Anything that you've faced?
I have, but I don't think I'd want to talk about it.
Okay, Ashish wants to know, first song in your mind that comes when you think of dance.
I don't know why suddenly Disco Diwani came into my head.
Some Dhinchak song only comes.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
You're like, no, yeah, you know this song. But suddenly it you're like, yeah.
Okay, Vinita wants to know, she's saying that can you please describe yourself in 3 words?
Myself in 3 words.
Yeah.
It would be impossible to describe anyone in 3 words, but okay, I would say I am.
Maybe you can tell about your strengths, like what are your strengths?
Yeah, I would say I'm positive, I'm hardworking, and I'm focused.
Varsha wants to know, when you watch anything on TV or any other platform, you watch as an actor or as a viewer?
A viewer, totally a viewer. Although, you know, I find that when I'm watching anything, especially a movie on the big screen, I'm always like, how will this have been taken? What must have happened? What's in the background? I keep looking at it like that. I never used to do that before I started acting. That's something I do.
Nice. Okay, any dream place you would want to visit?
I haven't been to Italy yet. Would like to go there.
Nice. Okay, Hina wants to know any particular favorite scene of yours from Sapno Se Bhare Naina. If show returns with season 2, would you like to take up?
Definitely, why not? My favorite scene from Sapno would be when I confront Abhi, who's the guy who was supposed to marry me, and I confront him saying that, and he's getting married to someone else, and my confrontation scene with him. I enjoyed that.
Amazing. Okay, and Bhumika is asking any dream serial project you want to do.
Sure, but I mean, I don't know like in what context, from stuff that has already sort of happened. There's this show called The Good Wife. It's a totally female-driven show. I really like that show. I think it was kind of made in Hindi, but they sort of changed it up a little bit. But if it was made true to the original one,
true. Okay, Apurva wants to know that does your family watch your show and they critique about, like, they get...
Yeah, they do, and my mom really critiques about it. You know how mothers are, they're like, "Acha tha, but beta," you know.
Okay, a lot of fans have requested you to be online like a lot.
I
use
know.
social media a lot.
Yes, they have, and I've heard you guys, and I'm here.
Okay, what do you think is the craziest thing that you have done?
Craziest thing was moving bag and baggage at a very young age and coming to Bombay when my family was not here.
Okay, Apurva is saying that will you ever get your memory back in the Sachandra, and will you ever marry Jay after knowing the truth that he's a rich man? ये तो writers बताएंगे. Okay, any movie which you would like to be part of, or which is remade? If it is a remake and you would like to be part of.
I mentioned Chalbaz earlier, right?
Yeah. Okay, any beauty tips you want to share with them?
I just did.
Water.
Drink water.
Yeah.
Take care of your skin. Exercise.
Okay, Amit is saying your smile is very refreshing.
Thank you.
They are congratulating you for the show completing a year in the...
Thank you so much. In this day and age, it is an accomplishment, as everyone knows. So we're very happy with it.
Okay, when will you start wearing saris? You look very cute. Please start it soon. Okay, we'll take a final message for all your fans who are here to chat with you and spend some time with you.
Guys, thank you so much for coming online and chatting with me. I know you guys have been requesting it for a long time, so I thought, I definitely should make this happen. Thank you for all your questions. Thank you for all your love and appreciation, and cheers.
Bye. It was fun having you. Bye.